Okay, now we are going to divide the decimals without using a calculator. Alright, now we can see here an example. We are going to divide 0.72 divided by 0.3. Alright, now if you can see here, over here we have two decimal place and here we have one decimal place. So the first thing that you are going to do, you are going to write this first in the form of a fraction, 0.72 upon 0.3. First you're going to write down in the form of a fraction, 0.72 divided by 0.3. Alright, the next step is when we are dividing the decimal with a decimal, we should get this number, the dividend, as a whole number. Alright, we should get the dividend as a whole number. We have to make this a whole number, because if you're going to make this a whole number, it will be easy for you to divide. Alright, it is not important to make this a whole number, but it is important to make this a whole number, the divisor. Alright, not the dividend. Alright, so what we are going to do, we are going to move this one decimal place over here and we can get 3. And if you're going to move one decimal here, so here also we are going to move one decimal place. Alright, and what we are doing is converting the decimal to a whole number. Alright, when we are converting the decimal to a whole number, if there is one decimal place in the divisor, we multiply this by 10. Alright, we multiply these by 10. So both of the numbers we are going to multiply by 10. This also we multiply by 10, this also we multiply by 10. And when we multiply by 10, if there is 1 0 and multiplying by 10 means decimal will move one place forward, and this decimal will also move one place forward because we are multiplying by 10. Alright, so when we multiply by 10, this will become a whole number, right? This will become 3 and this will become 7.2. So you're going to now see here that first value will become 7.2 and the second value will become 3. Now we can divide 7.2 by 3 because you know the table of 3. You don't know the table of 0.3, but we know the table of 3. Alright, so what we are going to do, now we are going to divide this 7.2 by 3. Alright, by 3. So 3 is 2 times, how many times 3 goes into 7? It goes 3 2 times 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then we are going to bring down this 2 and this will become decimal, we are going to place up here and this will become 3 4s are 12 and you will have the answer 2.4, 0.72. So finally the answer was 0.72. The question was divided by 0.3. So your answer is 2.4. Alright, we have divided it using the conversion. First we converted it to make this number, the divisor, a whole number, so we can divide it, and then we are going to get the answer 2.4 and line up the decimal point. Alright, you have to see here, if this is also can be done like in multiplication. We see there is one decimal place here, so here also we will have, in the answer also we have one decimal place. Alright, and you can always put the decimal up like after when you are dividing the numbers. Alright, make sure that you divide before division, you have to convert the divisor a whole number. Alright.